Hello my dear audience, welcome another new video. I hope everyone enjoy our video if you watch it till the end. Today our little monkey begins another peaceful adventure in the forest. But something unusual is about to happen. Suddenly, the monkey notices a tiny baby bird on the ground. The poor bird has fallen from its nest and cannot fly. The little monkey looks very concerned. The baby bird is too small and too weak to return to its home. The monkey looks high into the tree branches, trying to find where the bird's nest might be.
With great care, the brave monkey decides to help the little bird and begins climbing the tall tree.
The monkey climbs slowly and carefully, making sure the fragile baby bird stays safe. Suddenly, a strong wind shakes the branches, but the monkey holds on tightly. From high above the forest floor, the monkey searches carefully for the missing nest. Even with the wind, the brave monkey keeps climbing higher. Slowly and carefully, the monkey moves closer to the tiny nest. From high above the forest floor, the monkey searches carefully for the missing nest.
With great care, the monkey places the baby bird safely back into its home.
The little bird finally feels safe again. Just then, the mother bird returns from the sky. It almost feels like the mother bird is thanking the monkey for saving her baby. The monkey watches quietly as the mother bird takes care of her baby again.
Seeing the little bird safe makes the monkey very happy.
Now that the baby bird is safe, the monkey slowly climbs down the tree.
Back on the forest floor, the jungle feels peaceful again.
The monkey looks back at the tall tree one more time. High above, the little bird is finally safe in its home again. Sometimes the smallest acts of kindness can make the biggest difference. Thank you for watching our story from Monkey's Daily Vlog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing monkey adventures. See you in the next video.